Gratitude is truly a magical frequency. Gratitude has the potential to transform your entire life. If you want to transform your reality quickly and effortlessly, if your current reality is not serving you, if you want something more high vibrational, if you want something better, then gratitude is one of the fastest ways to turn your entire reality around. And why is that? Because gratitude is a magical frequency. Gratitude is one of the most powerful frequencies in the universe. It's the frequency of abundance. It's the frequency of receiving. When you connect to gratitude, you connect to having enough. You connect to the frequency of I am an abundant person. When you connect to gratitude, you show the universe that you already have these amazing things. You focus on these things, and thus universe multiplies your blessings. So in order to transform your entire reality, you have to be grateful, regardless of the fact whether you just want to manifest a specific thing or just want to harmonize your entire life, regardless of the fact whether you even need the manifestation or not. Gratitude is the tool that can help you elevate your entire reality. And it works fast and it works like magic. So how to use gratitude to harmonize your reality? How to use gratitude to give you this wonderful magical life you deserve? Gratitude is a feeling. Gratitude is a vibration. Gratitude is energy. Because your emotions, your feelings are nothing else than energy, right? So in order to create this energetic momentum, in order to create this magical frequency of abundance, you actually have to get on this frequency, and thus you have to feel gratitude. Because gratitude is a feeling, and this feeling needs to be experienced. This feeling needs to be experienced in your body. This feeling needs to be experienced in your heart. This feeling has to become a part of your state of being. Because the more you embody gratitude, the more magical your life becomes, and more easily you attract anything you want into your life. I feel like gratitude is quite a popular topic nowadays, and everyone is trying to tell you that you should feel grateful, that you should have a gratitude journal. And the problem with gratitude journals is that people will just write things they're grateful for in their journals, and that's it. They just do this for like 5 minutes in the morning, and that's it. And they write these things down, and very often they don't even feel the gratitude. They just, in this very robotic manner, just write, oh, I'm grateful for this, I'm grateful for that, I'm grateful for this, I'm grateful for that. Do you think that this kind of expressing of gratitude will have any impact on your reality? Do you think that this mechanic, robotic gratitude, this approach to gratitude, will create any kind of like a magical transformation, a magical shift in your life? No, it's not going to do this, because you're not creating all of this energetic momentum. You're not actually becoming the frequency. You're just mentioning things you're grateful for. You're just thinking about the things you're grateful for, but do you actually feel grateful for them? Do you actually experience the feeling of gratitude in your heart? This is so important. If you don't feel this, then you're not really connected to that magical frequency, and it's so important to connect to this frequency. And I'm not telling you that you should completely abandon your gratitude journal if you have one. No, because that's not the case. But you have to become a little bit more mindful when it comes to gratitude, and you have to start appreciating things in your life. The smallest, most insignificant things in your life. Even if you don't have much to be grateful for right now, just focus on the small things. Like, be grateful for anything. Really, be grateful for anything. Because the more you focus on this feeling of gratitude, the more you will be able to embody gratitude. And actually, soon you will realize that magically just more things to be grateful for start to pop in your reality. Because you become the frequency that you attract, the similar frequency, but you just have to start. So very often people would just express gratitude for the big things, and they completely just dismiss the small things in their lives that every day just bring them comfort or bring them joy or bring them happy. And by creating this energetic momentum and by actually becoming gratitude, making gratitude your state of being, you have to look at your life as a whole, and you have to start appreciating every little aspects of your life. So gratitude really has to become a part of your lifestyle. Gratitude has to become a part of your identity. So you're not just this person who expresses gratitude for 5 minutes in the morning, but wherever you go, you take gratitude with you. Literally, wherever you go, you take gratitude with you. So it's just about becoming a little bit more mindful. So when you wake up, yes, you can have your gratitude practice, but instead of just mindlessly thinking or writing down the things you're grateful for, really think about why are you grateful for them and try to invoke this feeling of gratitude in your heart. And then when you go about your day, just become more mindful and ask yourself questions. What can I be grateful for now? For example, I don't know, you're driving somewhere and suddenly there's no traffic and you just can go there without traffic, and it's an unusual situation because usually there is such a big traffic where you're going. Like, this is the reason to be grateful. When you gas up your car and you actually have the money to pay for the gas, like, this is the reason to be grateful. You have a car, like, this is the reason to be grateful. Yes, maybe it's not your dream perfect car, but nevertheless, you have a car, and because you have a car, you should be grateful for your car. Because, like, imagine your life even like without this crappy car, like, what would you do? You would have to like take the bus everywhere, walk everywhere. So be grateful for your car. Be grateful for your apartment. Be grateful for the people in life. Yes, maybe they're not your ideal friends, but the more you will be grateful for your current relationship, the more aligned relationships you'll be able to attract into your life. So it all starts with expressing gratitude for the smallest, most insignificant things in your life and actually feeling this gratitude. Not only thinking or writing down, oh, I'm grateful for this, or I'm grateful for that. No, actually feeling gratitude. And it can be tricky in the beginning. But the more you try to connect with the frequency, like, it's gonna be easier, because each time you're gonna feel gratitude more and more and more, and suddenly you're just gonna have like this new filter in your subconscious mind, and you will naturally every day look for the things and situations to be grateful for, and you will be able to express gratitude for these things, and it just makes you feel different. It just definitely makes you feel different. You feel happier. You just shine from within. And this is just such a blissful state of being, to experience gratitude. I mean, the real gratitude, this feeling in your heart. And eventually you will be on this level. And when you're on this level, when you express gratitude for even the tiny, smallest thing, and you actually feel it so much, to such an extent that your reality is just going to reflect that. And it's going to happen very quickly, because your reality is always a reflection. Like energy always attracts like energy. So when you hop onto that frequency of gratitude, your reality has to rearrange itself. And your reality has to show you that, yes, you focus on all these things you're grateful for. This is the confirmation that you are an abundant person. And here are all of the synchronicities and all of the magical experiences you can imagine, because you are a vibrational match to them. So it always starts inside you. It always starts with your feelings. It always starts with your vibration, with your energy. And gratitude is really one of the quickest ways to completely turn your entire reality around. Because when you start counting your blessings, when you start counting the things that are going good in your life, those things multiply in your reality. Like, this is actually a scientific principle in quantum physics. It is called the observer effect. Whatever you focus on grows. This is basically the observer effect in quantum physics. So the power of your focus actually has such a profound impact on your reality. So the more you focus on the good things and the more you appreciate the good things in your life, the more your reality elevates itself naturally and rearranges itself and starts to be more harmonious and more abundant and more magical. And it can even boost like your manifestations, because when you're on the right frequency, you also attract your desire, your specific things, your specific manifestations much quicker, because you're not creating all of this vibrational the resistance and all of this lack mentality and lack energy. So give gratitude a chance in your life, because it's a very quick and effortless way to really level up in life and elevate your entire state of being, and that's elevate your entire reality. So I hope this was helpful, and I hope that now you will give gratitude a chance in your life, and you will really start expressing gratitude and practicing gratitude, and actually you will make gratitude a part of who you are, a part of your personality, and that will enable you to experience this wonderful magical reality, because you deserve it. You definitely deserve it. You deserve to have anything you want. If it resonated with you in any way whatsoever, please give this a big thumbs up and make sure to hit that subscribe button. And thank you for being here. Thank you for connecting. Thank you for listening.